kami, fam. So let's go, let's go!
Wow! They're so excited.
How awesome is that, kuya?
Oh. Hello fam! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Andito na po ang Mami Donna from Alba Fambam. Kakauwi lang galing work kasi back to 3 a.m. tayo, pero mas shorter ang ating hours kasi 3 to 9 lang. Kasi summer and walang pasok si Kuya Davon, so we need to be home earlier kasi may pasok naman ang daddy. So, para may magbabantay kay Kuya. And, andito na nga, kakagising lang ng mga bata. Pati ang daddy nagtutulog-tulugan. Ayan, kakagising lang ng kids. Si Lian hindi siya papasok today kasi... Who's excited? What's going to happen today?
Need to answer mommy. Need to
Yeah?
answer mommy. What are you
So,
going to do
time
today?
check tayo, 9:30. 9:30 na sila nagising. Ang sarap ng tulog ng mga anak ko. So, meron tayong pupuntahan today na napaka-exciting. Work-related event? Activity? Parang ganon.
Unique ng gagawin.
Sobrang unique ng gagawin namin today. Hindi lahat nakakapagganto. Kasi employee lang ang merong access nito. So, company event to na limited lang din. And this is yearly, pero hindi nga lahat nakakakuha ng ticket. Like what happened to me last year. Sobrang abang na ako kasi excited ako for Kuya Davon and Lian to do that. Pero this year, nakakuha ako. Talagang nag-abang ako. As in on the opening of ticket selling. So, ayan, samahan nyo kami today, fam. Sobrang saya ng mangyayari today. And makikita nyo kung anong activities ang gagawin namin. With the fam-bam, syempre. And magbibihis lang ako. Medyo maghahanda na tayo ng breakfast for my kids. And pahinga lang ng konti. At pupunta na tayo sa ating event today. So, samahan nyo kami.
So, nagluto na ang daddy ng brunch. So, by the way, mag-half day lang ang daddy today. Para makasabay tayo sa aming activity. Abangan nyo mamaya. Sobrang unique ng activity talaga na gagawin namin. So, there you go. Ang aming favorite from Costco. The seaweed. Sausage.
Seaweed.
And also the eggs and tocino. So, syempre may pinakurat yan si Mami. Bisaya na yan si Mami.
Yeah, I love
Yes.
Okay, so brunch time para busog tayo doing that activity. We are loaded up. So, ayan. Instead of the delivery, late nalaman ni Mommy na may charges pala. And nakalimutan ko rin sabihin sa kanya. So, it's us who's going to deliver this. 2 boxes to. And the small one then. So, there you go. Our Buenas box, as we call it. So, let's go.
Hello fam, and we're ready to go. So, ang dami namin gagawin today. Half day pero ang dami namin ganap. First is yung event. Second, magdadrop ng box. And third, hindi ko pa alam. Baka mag-playground pa or ilabas pa yung mga bata. 3:30 ang tapos dun sa event. Tapos the-drop lang yung mga boxes. Baka mag-playground pa tayo or we don't know yet. Let's do it. Randomly plan na lang mamaya. Excited na ang lahat. Let's go!
Excited na rin ako. Kasi first time yung event na ganyan. Once a year lang yan.
Yeah.
So, magugulat kayo anong gagawin namin talaga. Where's the orange part? Ayan na, families!
Let's go, let's go. And parking na tayo, fam. Exciting! Ang dami ng tao doon kanina na nakapila. So, doon tayo. Diyan, sa WestJet Hangar. So, nakapila na yung mga tao doon. And we'll just wait. Who's excited? Ayan, fam. Nakapila na. Medyo late na ata kami pero sakto lang ang open namin. Yan. Go, 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 go!
Ito na kami, fam. So let's go, let's go! Pasok na tayo sa Rose White Hangar. Let's go!
Wow! Event entry. Wow! They're so excited.
How awesome is that, Kuya?
Wow!
That? We're gonna be...
Tayo sa bird wash. This is called YYC WestJet Bird Wash. So, iwawash nila itong aircraft ng WestJet. Kuya Davon, come here first. At fun, ito pala yung Blue Jays na tail ng WestJet, bagong-bago. Ayan. Daddy! Very good. At fam, pwede na dito mag-set ng mga chair, parang picnic lang. At meron ditong mini truck donuts. Ayan, Blue Jays. Ang saya, ang dami nila. Hello! Video. Video? Video. Oh, of course, push! Yay! It's against the light. Hi, everyone! Kasi against the lights eh. Asa na sila? Yan pa, meron dito mga food truck din. Ayan, pero may dala kaming mga snacks. So, andito na yung mga bata ko. Umikot na sila. Ayan. Daddy! Kuya! Ayan, nabasaan na pang. Basaan ang daddy. Ayan, sobrang nag-e-enjoy na ang aking mga anak. Ayan, fam. So, ito yung event na pinuntahan namin today. YYC Bird Wash. Ayan. Ito yung bird na sinasabi namin na iwawash nila. And this is once a year na event ng WestJet. Ayan. Yay! Daddy! Ethan! Very good. Meron tayo ditong free. Lemon? Okay, go. Where is it? Where? Ah, okay. I will. There you go. Wow. Hello fam! Nakakilala pa tayo dito ng ating subscriber and viewer. Nice to meet both of you. Nako, napakwento pa tayo. Co-WestJetters.
Yes. Thanks bro and sis for watching.
Yeah, thank you.
Kita-kits tayo ulit.
Keep in touch tayo. Ayan pa, meron din tayo ditong Calgary Mini Donut. So, free lahat dito. And And let's grab one.
Yeah, fam. So may free mini donuts sila dito. Kompleto, may drink and may donut. Courtesy of Calgary Mini Donuts. Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Calgary Mini Donuts. Ayan fam, so may pwesto actually kami kasi nagdala kami ng camping chairs. So may pwesto doon with the fellow Filipino WestJetters. So punta tayo doon, kain muna tayo. Merienda, merienda. Look at that aircraft. At saka ang ganda ng aircraft na pinawash nila kasi WestJet tapos Blue Jays. So, sponsored siguro ang WestJet ng Blue Jays. So congratulations. And again bro, nice meeting you bro and sis. Fellow Filipino WestJetters. So mayayain si bro and sis eh. So, pero next time, try natin silang i-feature dito sa vlog natin.
Yeah, let's show to tacos. Yeah.
And fam, syempre hindi mawawala ang mga souvenirs, memorabilia. Ayan. WestJet, $22. Inexpensive. $38.99. Wow. Should be a fan of WestJet. Ayan. So, meron silang bears dito. It's $16.99 each.
32 morning.
This is how much? 22 bucks? Wow. Yeah, 33. Wow.
$32.
Really nice.
Regardez, il y a déjà l'avion à la maison. C'est la même chose.
And other memorabilia here, souvenir soccer ball. Cute. So cute eh. Alright. Let's check out yung nandoon. Ayan, mga WestJet na mugs.
I have some in my purse. Let's go.
Cooler. Oh, this is fancy. 30 years. Ayan. Ganda. Nice. And hindi ko pa tinatawag si Dave and Sam, pero pag nakita niya to, yari na naman tayo, fam. So hindi ko natatawagin. Look at that. Adult collectible model. WestJet. Okay, that's all. At meron dito sa wall nila. 30th, 599, stickers, since 96. And there you go. So nandito nga kami sa hangar nila. So makikita nyo yung mga tires dyan kamo. Look, laki. Yeah, and look at this. Mga parts ng aeroplano. Yeah, I think of course yung hangar naman ginagamit for maintenance ng mga aircraft. So, laki na to. There you go. Alright. So pan view tayo fam. Para may idea ka niyo gaano kalaki yung hangar. Super laki talaga. Yung wingspan ng eroplano, kasya from right to left. Kasya. There you go. So thank you WestJet for this event. And we'll see you fam later. Ayan fam, we are done. Natuwa ba kayo sa ginawa namin? So Sobrang saya, kakaibang experience. First time namin to. At I think mauulit-ulit to next year. So, we're going at magiging busy pa. Alba Famba, magiging tendera pa si ng mami. Magsasend pa kami ng mga boxes namin sa aming logistics. Okay, bye-bye WestJet!
Next year again!
Bye-bye!
gonna go there? There's a uniform office. Go, 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 go.
Look at this hanger. Inopen siya. And ano yan? A few of their aircraft. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye!
Careful! And fam, andito na tayo sa Alin Express. Papadala na natin yung box. Yes. First padala of Donna
Donna
Canada Finds. Ayan. So, we're here na fam. To drop our first. Ayan.
Hello fam! So kakauwi lang namin sa bahay fam. At nakita nyo naman sobrang saya ng araw namin. From bird washing, yung pala yung gamit and term doon sa pagwash ng airplane. Hindi ko alam kung yung ibang airlines ba ay merong ganong event. Pero ito napakasaya at ang dami-daming tao. Andun even yung CEO ng WestJet mismo. So nagbibiruan nga dun na ito na lang yung time natin para mabasa natin siya. Very good experience. Natuwa din yung mga kids, lalo na si Kuya Davon. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa niya, sobrang saya niya. And ayun, after that event, pumunta lang kami sa logistics company na Alin just to send out yung mga balikbayan boxes and pasabay for Donna Canada Finds. And nakikita nyo naman, I'm wearing the Jisoo Life na neck fan. So this one is one of the most popular na neck fan din. And you could avail this through Donna Canada Finds. Message lang kayo. I'm not sure kung sale siya ngayon, pero just message. We'll get the best deal kung kaya. Alright, so ayan, napakayabang yan. May 5-speed combo yan na tinatawag. So bibili pa nga kami kasi very effective to, lalo na sa Pilipinas. At sakto pa uwi kami, bibigay namin yung ibang Jisoo Life kay mommy, kay daddy, and kay mama. Kasi kailangan nila neto fam. So there you go. Bago ko nga pala tapusin ang video, shout out pala sa family dyan sa Regina. Shout out to Jetro and Rejoice. We'll see you pag nakabalik kayo ulit dito sa Calgary. That's it for today's video. I hope nasiyahan kayo, and ano pa nga ba, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. At nilalamok na ang daddy dito sa labas. We'll see you on the next video, and hang loose.